Let's be real. Sometimes life gets a little too loud. Rent is due. Your boss is sending per my last emails. And your favorite plant just died even though you named it and gave it filtered water. It's creativity plus chaos management. You're in control, unlike your dating life. DIY projects give your mind a task that's clear and has a start and finish, something adulthood rarely offers. You're channeling your inner decorator, organizer, artist. When you complete a project, you'll feel a sense of achievement. You're focusing on the now, not the past or future. It's mindful, sort of. It's a mood booster, actually. It's like a mini victory. And who doesn't love a good dopamine hit? Plus, it's a great stress reliever. No, really. Okay, maybe not that one. Studies show that engaging in creative activities like DIY can lower stress hormones and even help with sleep quality. You're tired after a good day of hammering and sanding, not staring at a screen. Better yet, DIY can help you express emotions you might not otherwise. Ever wanted to smash a vase? But you can channel that anger or frustration into creating something bold, edgy, abstract. It's a healthy outlet, a less destructive path. It's also a fantastic way to relax and unwind. There's something incredibly soothing about getting lost in a project, about focusing on the task at hand. It's like meditation, but with more glitter. Let your imagination run wild. So the next time you're feeling a bit blue or stressed, break out the craft supplies. Give yourself a project, a creative challenge. You might just find that the process of creation is its own reward. You might surprise yourself with what you make and how you feel afterward. Let's go on. Unleash your inner Dyer. Like scrolling Zillow in cities you'll never afford sad. Try painting an old mirror frame. Embrace the mess, the laughter, the occasional frustration. Create something beautiful, something uniquely yours. And let's talk about budget. After all, it's not just about the end product. It's about the journey, the process, the chance to express, to relax, to create. It's about making something from nothing, to have something to show for a bit of time well spent. You're not doom scrolling. You're doing something. You're building, painting, drilling, and problem-solving your way through anxiety. Let's say you're sad. Grab that spray paint you bought in a manic episode last year. Suddenly, you're focused. You're breathing. You're not thinking about that awkward thing you said in 2013. That's healing. Therapy can cost $80 to $200 per session. Because even if it looks wonky, you made something. Meanwhile, a glue stick and some MDF wood from a hardware store sale. That's like 100 pesos and 2 hours of deep distraction. The point isn't perfection. It's peace. You got this? Just maybe don't DIY your electrical wiring. So next time you're spiraling, try crafting. If that isn't value, I don't know what is. In moments like this, most people would talk to a therapist. But it is a low-cost way to take a break, feel productive, and remind yourself you can still create beautiful things, even when life feels messy. Well, it's like a creative workout for your brain. You don't need to be an expert. Your bookshelf might lean like it's had a long night out. Your wall art may be abstract by accident, and your mug might leak a little. Who cares? Paint a plant pot, refinish a chair, build a shelf for your emotional baggage. And in this economy, that's enough. But if you really like me, emotionally unstable and financially limited, you grab a hot glue gun, a broken IKEA shelf, and a questionable amount of glitter, and you call it self-care. Welcome to the chaotic, oddly therapeutic world of DIY, where the end product might not fix your emotional baggage, but it will distract you from spiraling, at least for a few hours. So why die? Why, honestly, because turning your frustration into a crooked but functioning coffee table feels a lot like healing. Of course, DIY isn't a replacement for mental health support. So how does DIY help with mental health?